Welcome to Zenyo Payroll. In this video, we'll see how to add employee details to Zenyo Payroll. I hope you have watched the payslip templates and email templates video. If you've not, I recommend you watch it. You'll find the video link in the description. In this video, we'll see how to add employee details to Zenyo Payroll. Go to the Employees module and click on the plus button. Check the Enable Portal Access to allow the employee to view payslips and submit their IT declaration through the employee portal. Enter the employee's basic details, like employee code, name, email, gender, department, and other official details like employment type, role, reporting manager, holiday policy, expense policy, and work location. Once you're done, click Save. Now your employee is added to the list. You may filter this list by active employees, inactive employees, terminated employees, resigned employees, and employees whose exit is in process. There is also an option to upload employee details in bulk. Click on the Import button. Click on Template to download an Excel sheet, wherein you may enter all the necessary details. To create an employee, save the Excel file. Now select the file and click on Upload. The selected file will be uploaded, and the employee details will be added to the list. Using the Export option over here, you can export the necessary details of the employees in XLSX or CSV format. All you have to do is just select the field names that you want to export, and use conditions to filter the information you want. Click Export. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.